Hello class. This video is to make sure that everyone recognizes and understands where the discussions are and what your responsibilities are for the first few days. The first couple of days you have a few tasks that are not typical weekly tasks. So you're going to go to the Start Here menu and you have to take the pretest. This is to give us a baseline as to where you begin. And then if you go into the certification, syllabus acknowledgement, this is where you're going to cover some of the beginning of the term paperwork. And then we ask everyone to do an introduction. The introduction is just to sort of give us an idea as to who you are as we begin working together for the next month. So these are the very first pieces that you need to check out. It's also important, this complete list of readings and assignments I find very handy to print up and tape it to the wall, bulletin board, inside of your book, something like that, so that you know exactly what it is that you'll be expected to do from week to week with the deadlines. Obviously the deadlines are also attached, as you'll see, Wednesday. All of this is due on Wednesday, but just to have it on paper in front of you is sometimes helpful. Now, many of you have already gone into the Start Here and posted your introductions. So we've got lots of people who have already posted introductions, and that's fantastic. I want to make sure that everyone also recognizes that we need to click on week 1 and that you begin the discussions for this week. This is our discussion board. You can also access this right over here on the left-hand navigational menu. And this week we're working on the pre-writing discussion. This is where you will choose your topic of the paper you'll be working on all term. So each of the different assignments that will follow this one are coming from this initial discussion, so please carefully consider the topic that you choose because you'll be working with it all term. So this is your first. You'll have one post where you're discussing your own topic and one post where you respond. And then down here is our second, week 1, discussion 2. What is your greatest grammar or punctuation challenge? And again, 2 posts are expected to receive full credit. 30% of your discussion grade for each week is just based on participation. So please make sure that you post both. Okay, I hope this helps, and if anybody has any questions, let me know.